But me can't understand. Me can't understand. Me can't understand. Too much I go on in our country, brother. Too much I go on in our country. If nobody now say nothing, brother. How this man we? They all us tumble down long time, brother. I say, I tell you, say, even as a youth who grew up in a PNP house, brother, nobody could get me for vote, brother. Even before we even see the full picture of what they go on, bro. Because we say all of them are fuck, brother. All of them are garbage. None of them not really try to make a difference, bro. And then I say it's really better for them if they really make a difference, brother. I don't understand how them not see that. Hold on, I don't understand, you know. I don't understand how Jamaicans get up the previous politicians. Like, bro, you have doctors, you have teachers, you have all these professionals go get them training for much years at university, and then get undermined, then get underpaid, then get ill-treated. And these rotten individuals get praised by the people of the country. Like, I tell you, I cycle like garbage in my place, brother. And I go turn up the country. I go turn you over. Yeah. I not laugh, brother. I go turn up the place, bro. Yeah, if I mash up it bomb buckler, we not make them mash up it. Me rather mash up it. Me not make them mash up it. This old Dennis Gardner, the backer. I mean, we're all human, so we're all corruptible. So, ain't nothing new right there. What we must do the mathematics. What we must do more good than the bad that we have done. Because I'm not perfect. So what he should do like food banks. You need to do more. You have to do more good than bad. You can't just repay the money where you never pay. Or however that go. You have to do more good than bad. You have to do food banks. You have to do whole heap of good. You don't understand that. You outweigh bad, brother. You have to do whole heap of good. The more good than the bad will be lost. I'm too practical. So I'm not gonna sit down here, so and go on and brother, if like for one me I observe and for one me I see, what Golden is a capitalist. And ain't nothing wrong if he's a businessman. But my thing now go there with you there, brother. Cause you're too capitalistic. We not see the fire there in your belly, we not see that the socialism for you. Yeah. Right now, am I G the way I pray? Right name? Paul Patmore, who we see who the on the ground, who I do real projects, who we see I do things. That the nigga there, that the G there. Yeah. Franchilani. As a man who would really get some projects to do on the ground. Yeah, not Mark Golden anymore. I swear. Mark Golden, he's not doing anything. All he does is get flung around here and there, and he talks. He does nothing. Bro, don't have money, bro. Don't do things, brother. They're not doing anything. We're wait for angry country's purse, brother. Like, we're supposed to do things even without the country's purse. We don't have connection. We don't have links. We don't need to get things done. We don't have Paul Patmore. I build a solar panel and I do some whole heap of things, brother. I make water projects, brother. Like Paul Patmore, great, Paul Patmore legacy, bigger than food legacy. Yeah, Mr. Patmore, just go and do your work, man. We out there, go and fight the fight. You see me, I go and see what we can get together and see what we can put towards the thing, and you know, make do some work in our place, said we and go and elevate the place, and you know, make the place nice, you know, make the people them can go and survive. So let's go and do it right, man. Yeah, man, let's go and do it right, man. Yeah, man, we don't have no complaints in the way I do, man. Yeah, man, in a real life. Yeah, man, me I tell you right now, if you can get Mr. Patmore all 1 million US, man, and G locate all the land, man. It's a nice establishment in my build up. Business, housing, schooling, health center, water system, electric system, food supply. It can build up it can build in the whole country in Jamaica. To a dark tough, me I tell you, it's a G who can get things done, he can get work and make things get done. It's a G like that, me I tell you. Yeah man, we there see how he get to work and one can do and one can get done, one can achieve. A man can use the least and get the most out of it. And it's humble said we out here. Yeah, as a fighter, as a warrior. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we figure out where we're going to do the first projects with Mr. Patmore that we are work on to get the thing together, get some funding and get some assistance, you know. See if we can get something done in our place. Yeah, I swear.